Hey guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 6th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. 1 of them I've already solved, so 3 puzzles are left. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, one of these binaries, and you are interested in the Killer Sudoku. The Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 8316. 8316. And usually for a Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, then this will be a 3 stars. Well, we have here 2 given numbers. Given number 8 in this triple box of 24. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Well, there's only one combination for the box of 16. 9 and a 7. 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Here we have a triple box of 13 with a given number 7. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. So let me start with this one, then that one. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 9 plus 11 is 20. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In a box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. Now, this big square has 2 sharing boxes. Let me go to this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 17 is 31. 31 plus 11 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 8, combination will be 3 plus 5. Alright. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Here we have the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see. This triple box of 6. There's only one combination for the triple box of 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Yeah. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 or 3. Only one combination. Alright. The box of 17, only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Let me see. The box of 16, only one combination. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Well, here we have a pair here. Okay. That means we have 1 sharing box here. Okay. Let me continue. The box of 4, only one combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. The box of 17. 9 plus 6. 9, no, 9 plus 8. Well, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. This box should be an 8 then. Okay. Alright. Then, let me go back to this one with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. Then I know what number that box should be. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 16. Plus 8 is 24. 24. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 24 is 40. 40. That means 45 minus 40 is a 5. These two boxes together should be a 5. That means in this triple box of 13, that box should be an 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay. Now this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 8, 8, 8, triple 8 is 24. 24 plus 14 is 40, 38. 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7 then. Okay, in the box of 16, the combination here will be 7 plus a 9. I've marked those two boxes, 9 and a 7. We have a 9 here, so this box should be a 7. And that box should be a 9 then. Then this box has one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 plus 13 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. Yeah, this box should be a 4. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, this big square has one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. 3 plus 12 is 15. Double 15 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4 here. In the box of 12, combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Yes. Now, this big square has one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, so 12 plus 8 is 20. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 plus 20. 23 plus 20 is 43. 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. These two boxes together should be 6. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Plus 7 is equal to 13. Now this big square has one sharing box. If we count all these numbers, no. We have two sharing boxes here. Well, it will be difficult. Okay. Now my next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. For example, here there are two combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and the 7 here. Should be the 9 and the 6. 9 plus 6. Okay, now we have a box of 12 and a box of 7. One of the missing number is a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 3. And we already have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 should be in the box of 7. Combination 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5, and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes, and there. Here 1 and a 2 in this row, so this box cannot be 1 or a 2. This box should be a 3 then. So those two boxes should be 1 and a 2, okay. So 3 or 3 there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only two places level 7 goes in the box of 13, combination 7 and 6. 7 and 6, we have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 and the 6, we have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places level 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. So the 8 goes in the box of 10, combination 8 and a 2. 8 and a 2, we have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here 1 and a 2, well, we have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. We have the box of 15. There are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 or 8 and a 7. Well, the 8 and 7 is already used in this big square. So no 8 and a 7 in this box. So this box should be the 9. Yeah. And a 6. 9 plus 6. We have a 6 here. So here can be 6 here. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 6. Yeah, 5 and a 6. That means one number left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 8 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 8 plus 3. One box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. In the box of 9, combination will be 5 plus 4. Alright. So, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course. So the 9 should be here. In this triple box of 14, these two boxes together should be a 5. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. Well, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And those two boxes together should be a 5. So this box should be a 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 2 and 1, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on last third column. The only place level 1 should be here. In the box of 5, the combination will be 1 plus 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2 is missing. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3 missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Okay. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, 7 in the column next. The only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. In the box of 13, combination will be 7 plus 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then there are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 4. Well, the 2 and the 3 is already used in this big square, so the other combination will be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes and there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the 1 should be here in the box of 6. The combination will be 1 plus 5. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left, the 4 goes in the box of 11. Combination 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final number in this brick square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time because my time limit is 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm faster than 20 minutes. Is this a 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.